Hey Mark, it's Bob Gilbraith. I got a little video here for you about the Shopmaster Patriot. I got a little program loaded, and I guess you're running through the basics of the machine and get you up to speed, I guess. So this is the CNC machine. I was able to find the missing switch. So should be able to set up the original equipment pretty easily. There's your coolant pump and the tool post for the lathe and PC. We got Mach 3 loaded, a program that I was running on a while ago. So I don't know if you know much about them, but these things run primarily with the keyboard. So you can, using the keyboard, you got a few different speeds. And you can even move it 1/1000th of an inch at a time. This also has CNC on the bridge portion, if I can remember which button to push. Raise and lower the bridge. So right now I've got it set up with the DC motor control. So you can see this you can dial it down pretty low. You still get pretty good torque. Then switch over to the mill. Same idea. Your drawbar. You can crank that right up if you want. Makes a lot of noise. So back here you can see how the motors are mounted, side by each. This is your tailstock. It's got the graduations on it, lock, and this is your steady rest. You can side shift for doing tapers. These handles you can use manually once the CNC is powered down, but until then it's stiff as a board. I'm going to fire this program up for you. Kind of incorporates it all. This is cutting a circle, the gradual Z progression, doing circular interpolation. You can see it slowly progressing the Z-axis down through the material. The ball screws. You can easily set up the motor control with through the back. The CNC controller has got the outputs that you can connect to the motor controller or the VFD, depending on what you want to do there. This switch up here goes in this port, and then you can follow the wiring diagram to get it back to normal. You got a sight glass for your lathe, 3-jaw chuck. You've got locks for your bridge. Tighten that up. Coolant hose, little work light underneath. It's got carriage locks. You're going to do some stationary milling or heavy cuts in one axis, you can use those. You get the idea. So you turn the CNC off, it becomes a hand-operated machine. Pretty convenient when you're trying to cut slots and you don't want to write a program. So other than that, I've got the VFD mounted up here, and it's running a motor on my lathe that works. And then your motors are over here that I'm going to throw in. You get these two guys right here with the Asian nameplates on them. Can't think of anything else to tell you. If you have any questions, just let me know and I can shoot some more footage or send you a video, whatever you need. That's about it. I guess you got a pretty good idea on what all is involved with these machines. So, any questions? Let me know. Thanks.